Are you a bird photographer looking for the best Olympus camera? Look no further. In this video, we review the top 5 best Olympus cameras specifically designed for bird photography. From quality lens to heavy-duty battery life, these cameras are perfect for capturing all your feathered friends in stunning detail. Get expert tips on which features to look out for and find out why each of these cameras is considered a must-have for any serious birder. Our first choice is the Olympus OM1 Mark III is a professional-grade mirrorless camera released by Olympus in 2020. It features a 20.4-megapixel live MOS sensor and a TruePic 9 image processor, which allows for fast and accurate autofocus and high-speed continuous shooting of up to 18 frames per second. The camera also includes a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system that compensates for camera shake up to 7.5 stops, which enables sharp handheld shots in low-light conditions or when using long telephoto lenses. Other notable features include weather-sealed construction, a high-resolution electronic viewfinder, a vari-angle touchscreen LCD, and built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for easy image sharing and remote control. Our second choice is the Olympus OM10 Mark III is a compact mirrorless camera that was released in August 2017. It features a 16-megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor and a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system, which is a great combination for taking sharp and detailed photos in low-light conditions. The camera also has a fast autofocus system with 121 AF points, a maximum shooting speed of 8.6 frames per second, and 4K video recording capability at 30 frames per second. It has a built-in electronic viewfinder and a tilting touchscreen LCD display that makes it easy to compose shots from different angles. Our third choice is the Olympus OM1 is a classic 35mm film SLR camera that was first introduced in 1972. It was part of the Olympus OM system, which included a range of lenses, accessories, and other cameras that were designed to be compact and lightweight. The OM1 features a rugged, all-metal construction and a minimalist design that prioritizes ease of use and reliability. It has a manual exposure control system, with a built-in light meter that provides accurate exposure readings through the viewfinder. The camera also has a fast and accurate focusing system, and a bright viewfinder that makes it easy to compose shots. Our fourth choice is the Olympus OM5 Mark III is a mid-range mirrorless camera that was released in October 2019. It features a 20.4-megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor and a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system, which works with any lens attached to the camera to help ensure sharp and steady images. The camera also has a fast autofocus system with 121 AF points, a maximum shooting speed of 10 frames per second, and 4K video recording capability at up to 30 frames per second. It has a built-in electronic viewfinder and a fully articulating touchscreen LCD display that makes it easy to compose shots from different angles. Our last choice is the Olympus PNF is a high-end mirrorless camera that was released in January 2016. It features a 20.3-megapixel micro Four Thirds sensor and a 5-axis in-body image stabilization system, which is a great combination for capturing sharp and detailed photos in low-light conditions. One of the key features of the PNF is its retro-inspired design, which pays homage to the classic pen film cameras of the 1960s. The camera has a metal body with a leather-like finish, and a variety of physical controls that allow for easy and intuitive operation. If you want to buy the product, you can click the link of this product in our video description. If you are enjoying our video, please subscribe our channel and give a thumbs up if you have any questions. That is know in the comments section below, and thanks for watching the video.